Hey everyone, I just wanted to do a very quick video on the Reseller Assistant program that I use to share my closet on Poshmark. I got out of reselling for a little while and I've jumped back into it because I miss it. I just needed a little break after doing it for so long. Went ahead and willed myself to share my closet and just suck it up and do it myself. Well, I've been doing it for like 2 weeks and I pretty much want to gouge my eyeballs out, so I'm done with that. And the Reseller Assistant, they sent me an email with a percentage off for 4th of July, and so I went ahead and I was like, yeah, okay. They were running a sale, plus on top of the sale there was a promo code. So I just wanted to share with you what that looks like while I'm waiting for another video that I just finished editing to upload. So I have a little time in between videos and I wanted to share this with you. Alright, so as of now, I am not a paid affiliate or anything. I get nothing for you clicking here, but that could change in the future. I don't know, but as of right now, of the making of this video, I do not get paid for this. I'm just sharing with you what I use. So here it is. They go to their website. So they just hire, it's pretty much you're hiring somebody else to do your sharing for you because it's so painfully boring. And if you click on get started, you can see the plans. So I did just the starter plan. I had been doing the pro plan, but then I changed it, so whatever, it's fine. Whatever you can afford, do that one. In the resource center, I will post a link to this website, and if I know about any promo codes, I'll keep that updated, alright? So right now they have, different add-on stuff that's usually extra, but they're including a bunch of things for free. It's kind of great. So I wanted to show you what that looked like. After you sign up, you'll get this email and you just follow they'll give you a new username, and then you'll have to set up a new password. It'll be a shared password that you share with the company, so that way they can go in and share your closet. Okay, and then here is my order. So you can see it was on sale for $85 a month, and then I had a promo code bringing it down to $64. So that's awesome. And they will send this to you every month. Okay, and then this is what it'll look like for you. So here they received my information, so they're going to give me 6,000 shares. This is every day, guys, so this is awesome. 6,000 shares, self-share, so they'll share my closet, however many things are in my closet, 6,000 times. I'll get 1,000 community shares, power shares, the top 5 of your closet 15 times, offers to likers, there's 20 relists per day, 200 extra followers per day, so they go around and follow people for you, so you don't have to do it. You get free follow backs, so anybody that follows me, they'll go in and automatically follow them back and share their closet back. And then they'll share to any relevant Poshmark party. So they'll do, best in boutique, so anything that's in the boutique section of your closet will be shared. Best in shoes, so all your shoes will get shared, whatever it is. And they run several parties every day. And then here's the schedule of my VA's activity. 6 a.m. this, 8 a.m. this. So it just kind of goes down the list. It's kind of awesome. And then down here, the package will include the same VA, same time slots as the previous one. Your closet will be shared until August 5th, 2022, which is whenever I'll need to resubscribe. So to not have to do this kind of rocks, and to me is well worth it. And like I said, in the resource center, I will post a link to Virtual Assistant and any promo codes that I might see, updated ones, extra stuff, sales, whatever. And again, I am not a paid affiliate as of right now. I might choose to do that in the future. Right now, That's not my focus. My focus is you and supporting you. But if something comes up, I will absolutely add it in. Alright, so that's kind of it. And ever since then, I will tell you what, my Poshmark closet has been booming since I bought this. I will give you a prime example. I'll go over here to Poshmark. So back on my Poshmark, you'll see my news feed has just dramatically upped. I have people sharing my closet constantly. I have likers in my closet. I have just a lot of attention going on. And let's see if I go to my closet. Now there's a lot more likers on things that I just listed. I just relisted that, all this stuff this week. So, you know, it really counts in my opinion. Alright, that's all for this little video. Have a good day, everyone.